एवरीवन, आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं चैप्टर 3 एनिमल्स बर्ड्स. Picture study. Look at the given pictures. Each picture shows the head and neck of a bird based on the given picture. Hint for each bird. Identify and name it. Write 2 lines on each bird in your notebook. Okay, अभी फ़िलहाल हमें इस बुक पे सिर्फ नेम लिखना है. First one is woodpecker. Woodpecker. Second, parrot. Third, swallow. Fourth, hummingbird. The parts of the bird's body in the given picture. First one is यहाँ पे हम head, wings, tail, leg, claws, W है claws, eye, beak. Birds and beaks. Name the birds that have the following beaks. Also state the uses of different beaks. Strong, short and hard beak. Pigeon. Use of the beak to bite. यहाँ तो जगह नहीं होगा. To bite and crack their food. ठीक है. Strong and chisel shaped beak. Woodpecker. Use of beak क्या होना चाहिए? To make holes in the hard trunk of trees and to pull out insects from there to eat. ओके, लिख लेना. ओके, बुक में ही है, मिल जाएगा, लिख लेना. यहाँ स्पेस नहीं है बोल के आई कांट. थर्ड वन, ब्रॉड एंड शॉर्ट बीक. ये हो जाएगा swallow. Use of beak to catch small flies and insects from the air. The tiny flying insect gets stuck into the swallow's beak and bird gulps them down. Okay, this bird gulps down. Broad and flat beak हो गया duck. Use क्या है? Through their beak they take in muddy water containing insect, worm and small water plants. Then spoon shaped. Spoon bill. Spoon bill. Their beak helps them to pick up tadpoles and insects from water. Now look at the given picture of nest. Identify and name each nest. Also name a bird that makes each type of nest shown here. Name of nest: pendant nest. Pendant nest. Name of bird: weaver bird. Weaver. Second, name of nest: cup shaped nest. Cup shaped nest. Name of bird: tailor bird. Name of nest: scrape nests. Name of bird: vulture. Name of nest: burrow nest. Burrow. Name of bird: kingfisher. Color the circle green for a correct statement and red for an incorrect statement. Birds do not have teeth. Yes. Beaks help birds to clean and smoothen their feathers. Yes. Poppy has curved beak. Yes. Heron and crane are wading birds that have long, slender legs. Yes. Ostrich is the only bird that walks straight. No. Write the correct words in the blanks. Flesh eating birds like dash and dash have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks. You can write eagles and vultures. Eagles and vultures. Dash and dash are perching birds that can even sleep without falling while they perch on trees. Parrots and sparrows. Parrot. Yeah, yeah. Parrot and sparrow. Wait. Dash feathers give color and smooth shape to the bird. ये wrong answer है. ये feathers ही answer होगा. Okay. 4. Dash lay their egg in the nest of other birds like cuckoos. Cuckoos. Birds make dash to communicate with each other. Sounds. The correct answer. Which of the following does not have strong, short, and hard beak? Woodpecker. Which of the following has curved beak? Sunbird. What of the following is a which of the following is a climbing bird? Woodpecker. Of the following feathers are strong but light in weight? Flight feathers. Which of the nest is built by a kingfisher? Burrow nest. The columns. Parrot uses strong curved beak to crack open seed and nut. Eagle use strong, sharp, and hooked beak to kill the prey and eat its flesh. Woodpecker uses chisel-shaped beak to eat insects by pulling them out from the tree trunk. Hummingbird 4 uses long beak to suck nectar from flowers. Duck ये यहाँ का 5 uses broad and flat beak to take in muddy water containing insect, worm, and small water plants. E. Give reason for the following statements. Swallows have broad and short beaks that are sticky from inside. Why do you think it is so? Because to catch small flies and insects from the ear, the tiny flying insect gets stuck to the swallow's beak and the bird gulps them down. E ka answer number 1. Ankita got a parrot home and was amazed to see it slipping without falling. Why does you think it is so? So parrot have long and slender claw with 3 toes in front and 1 long toe at the back. Their toes help them to hold the branch of a tree very firmly. This act is called perching. They can even sleep without falling while they perch on trees because the toes continue to grip the branch firmly. Answer E ka 2. Question number 3. Nidhi was surprised to see that swans could use their feet as paddles. How can they do so and why they do so? Swans have webbed feet with 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. The front toes are joined by the skin forming a web The webbed feet act like paddles and push water back to help the birds move forward. This helps the bird to swim. The webbed feet also help the bird to walk on mud easily. E ka answer number 3. Number 4, Anusha's teacher told the class that feathers are the most unique feature of a bird. Okay, of a bird. Why is it so? Because they help the bird to keep itself warm and to camouflage. E ka answer number 4. Number 5, Tanvi's parents tell her to ensure that she looks after the birds she has as pet in her house. Why do they ask her to do so? Because birds also need to be taken care of. We can help them by giving them grain and water during summer. We can also make a bird feeder and a bird bath near our houses. These are for outside birds, but अगर हम pet रख रहे हैं, we must be kind to our bird. The only need love, care and respect from us. We should provide bird kept in our house with sufficient food and keep them clean. We should also be sensitive to the bird in our environment. और एक आंसर मैं बता दे रही हूँ. Because birds are dependent on their owners for their well-being. Looking after them ensure they receive proper food, water, shelter, care, promoting their health and happiness. Eka 5. Answer the following questions. How is a beak of importance to a bird? Describe any two types of beaks. Is important because birds use their beak to catch, eat food. They also use it to feed their young one and build nest. Beak help bird to clean and smoothen their feathers too. ये हो गया यहाँ से यहाँ तक F1. और उसका जो सेकेंड था, डिस्क्राइब एनी टू टाइप्स ऑफ बीक. एक लिख सकते हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग, शॉर्ट एंड हार्ड बीक. ये पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा F1. और सेकेंड वन हो जाएगा स्ट्रॉन्ग, शार्प एंड हुक्ड बीक. कोई भी लिख सकते हो. F1. Question number 2, differentiate between perching birds and climbing birds. Perching birds like crow, sparrow, parrot, manna have long and slender claws with 3 toes in front and 1 long toe at the back. Their toes help them to hold the branch of a tree very firmly. This act is called perching. Okay, they can even sleep. ये पूरा लिख दो for perching birds के लिए. F2. अभी हम लिखेंगे climbing birds के लिए. Climbing birds like woodpecker and parrot have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes pointing backward. On their each foot they have sharp claws. Their feet help them to climb up and hold on to the trees. ये हो गया F1 का climbing birds के लिए. No, sorry, F2. Question number 3, how are the feathers important for a bird? Write a note on different types of feathers. So a bird's body and its wing are covered with soft and fluffy feathers. They are the most unique feature of a bird. They help the bird to keep itself warm and to camouflage. F का 3. और बोले थे शॉर्ट नोट ना, एक बॉडी फेदर, डाउन फेदर और एक फ्लाइट फेदर्स. ये तीनों पूरा लिखना है डिस्क्राइब करके. F3. Question number 4, discuss how birds fly. So birds fly with the help of their wings that have feathers on them which help the birds to fly up and down in the air easily. Birds have strong flight muscle that help them to flap their wings in both upward downward direction in order to move. When a bird flaps, the wings move into special way called upstroke, downstroke. In the upstroke, the wings are lifted up and backward. In downstroke, the wings are pushed downward and forward. These strokes lift the bird's body into the air, making it fly. F4. Number 5, how is a cavity nest different from a scape nest? So a woodpecker makes a cavity nest. It makes a hole in the tree trunk by picking it with a chisel like strong sharp beak. It uses chips of wood to make its nest warm, comfortable from inside. Woodpecker build nesting holes in the trees throughout the year. F ka 5. Then scrape nest. Birds like penguin, ostrich, vulture make shallow depression on the ground line with leaves, grasses, small stone, pebble or feathers. This material may help them to camouflage the eggs to keep them warm and in one place. F का 5. Last question, list some ways in which you can look after the birds. Caring for birds, यहाँ से लेके birds, caring for birds यहाँ तक, ये आंसर F का 6. Thank you and subscribe for more such solution videos.